Hello everyone, and thanks for watching Edupedia World videos. In this video, we'll discuss solutions to the 2016 JEE Mains Physics question paper. In question 22, we are given the half-lives of two radioactive elements A and B. This is 20 minutes and this is 40 minutes. We need to know what happens after 80 minutes. So after 20 minutes, if this had an initial number n, after 20 minutes it becomes n by 2. Then after 40 minutes, n by 4. 60 minutes, n by 8. After 80 minutes, this is n by 16 is left. Right, half of it will be decomposed in every half-life and half of it will be left. So this is at the end of 80 minutes. B, if this also starts out with n because they have initially the same number of nuclei. So after 40 minutes, this will be n by 2, and after 80 minutes, it will be n by 4. So how much has been decayed? For A, 15 n by 16 has been decayed, and for B, 3 n by 4 has been decayed. And we need to find this ratio, which is just 15 by 16 into 4 by 3, 5, 4, which is 5:4, which means the answer is option 4, 5:4. This completes the solutions. Thank you.